Welcome back, fellas, to this new Peter Tech Express. Today, let's check out how to get started with Google Chrome onto your laptop and into the PC. This is an actual simple but essential tool. So Google Chrome is the most popular web so far in the world, known for its speed, to the huge library of extensions, and seamless syncing with your Google account. Whether you are into Windows or Mac, the process is quick and free. So the most important step is ensuring you download it from the official source. If you download it from another source, it might be really risky. So the first thing to do is to open your current web browser. Let's say, for example, that we start here inside your computer, and for example, by default, I have Microsoft Edge. So I open Microsoft Edge, and where it says search the web, let's say, for example, that I just type Google Chrome. Inside Google Chrome, for example, you have here the section that says Navigator Web Browser Google Chrome. Now, how do I make sure that this one comes directly here from reliable into the upper corner? You can see that we have this element, and here we have this that says the connection is secure. So www.google.com as Chrome is the actual element that we're actually aiming for. So inside here, this is of course totally depending on how you have set it up in your computer. In my case, it was in Spanish, but I can change this directly here into English. Directly here, have a huge button that says download the Chrome. So I click into the option that says download Chrome, and here it says thanks for downloading, just a few steps. So it says open it, allow, and install. Here we have now the section where we have the click, of course, always the one that says google.com only Chrome, because this protects you from fake malicious download sites. Now, downloading the installer. The official page will recognize your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux automatically. So hit into this file, usually called Chrome setup.exe. It says open file, and you wanted, of course, to use the option that says yes. Now, to run the setup and the installation, here directly you have the download of your actual file. Here, what I need to do is to cancel the installation, because I already make the installation of Chrome directly in here. But in your case, do not cancel the installation and just wait till the installation has now been successfully added. So the install will connect to the internet and automatically install Chrome into your system. Once it's finished, you can click now into closed. And the first thing you should do is to sign in with your Google account to sync all your bookmarks, your history, and extensions. Down here into my bar, you can see that we have Google Chrome. I'm going to click into it. I'm going to open it. Now we can go back directly into Edge and close the previous tabs. You can see that here we are now inside Chrome. So basically, Google Chrome is that the browser built by Google. For example, let's say that I go for try it. So we can see that my Google Chrome has now been successfully installed. Into the upper right corner, we can see that here my account is now been correctly connected. So that means that all my information, all my bookmarks, everything is directly connected directly in here. So your bookmarks, your history tab, the extensions, everything will be merged if you have downloaded this somewhere else. Now, when you finish with this process, something else that I can totally recommend you is to check out just in case for suspicious malware. So to get started, I use the security of Google security section. And here, for example, we have the security and everything is correctly activated. So we have the security, the firewall, and protection. We have the viruses and all of that. So here, what I need to do is to make a quick quick test to make sure that I don't have any suspicious malware inside and everything actually works correctly. This can be really this might be a little bit annoying and you don't want to do this right away, but this will be saving you ton of time, and of course it can be saving you from phishing, whatever you might be calling this. So basically, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Google Chrome. By using the official source, you can click directly to the install and install it directly to the syncing in your file. If you want to see more information on how you can actually just sign in right away, or to don't sign in, or to don't open Google Chrome right away, it's going to focus into your computer. Go for the setup section, go for the systems, and directly in here you want to make sure that here the file is now being successfully connected. So basically, guys, this is how you can actually get started with these elements. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools here directly inside TechSprite. Remember that your security is going to be really important when it comes to downloading files, so be sure that you are downloading stuff directly from www.google.com and not somewhere else. So that's going to be really, really crucial when you take that in mind. Once again, thank you for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you guys, well, next time.